fast car. My number one star. At the silver hatch in his little white cap. Come on, Roary, one more lap. Roary, the racing car. Roary, my number one star. He's coming to the line, looking real fine. Watch out, Roary, they're right behind ya. Come on, Roary, the racing car. Roary, my number one star. Roary, the racing car.
It was a lovely sunny day at Silver Hatch. A great day for racing, but not so much for crashing. Whoa! 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 Oh, are you okay, Tin Top? Sure, I'm fine, thanks, Roy. As we're bunch of big crystals see you like that, I think you got a point. Come on, let's get you fixed up. What have you done now? Look at the stain of you. If you walk along the track, you need to be verified in this. I'm sorry, Big Chris. I didn't mean. No more crashes today. Please take it easy and slow down those bends. Okay, Big Chris. I promise. I'll be careful. Just be careful. It's not like much fault.
What a mess. Oh, I know it.
Truxie.
But we'll have this cleared up in no time. You make a start while I fetch my brush to sweep up. Okay, Farmer Green. Tidying up is so boring. Oh, that looks like fun. I'd much rather be playing with Roary, Maxie and Tin Top instead. I know. If I tidy up in double quick time, maybe I'll be able to play too.
Truxie.
Are you all right? What have you done? Oh, look at the state of you. Oh, dear. You were supposed to be tidying up, not making even more mess. Sorry, Farmer Green. Oh, come on, then. We'd better get you to Big Chris to get you fixed up.
Go! Hi, Truxie.
Hi, Roary.
I wonder what's wrong with Truxie. Whoa! Ah! Eat my dust, Roary. No way. Yeah, wait for me. Oh, Big Rosetta goes slow around the bends. A lovely cup of magic tea. That would do me nicely.
Big Chris, can you help?
Truxie.
Has had a bit of an accident. Not
you too.
I've just
finished sorting your tin top out.
Oh, come on then, let's
get you sorted. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Yes! 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 I won! Well done, Maxie! Great race! Not for me. I can't race properly. I have to be careful. That makes me so slow. Sorry, Tin Top. Let's race again. No thanks. Poor Tin Top. Truxie didn't look very happy either. Come on, Maxie. Let's go and cheer them up.
We were clearing up the yard, you see. Oh, right old state it was. Now it's even worse. I mean, car parts, hay bales, all over the place.
I know how you feel.
What a state.
I get
I get one quick I sorted up. It's someone else in the fight. I don't race no circles, sometimes let me on. You're getting the Demolition Derby out there on the track. Not racing. It's up. Where's my meat time? Not a fuck.
All we want is to have a bit of fun.
Maybe you can. I think I know the way to cut Big Chris's workload. Clean up the mess in the war yard and let Tank Top and Truxie don't get any scrapes. Yeah, I like to say to that, Roary. Come on, kids.
What is it?
Go on, come on. It's a secret. Okay, does everyone know what they need to do? Yeah, come on then, let's get motoring. Go, go, go! Ow! Thanks, Log. Perfect. Thanks, Log.
No problem, Big Chris.
What are those for?
I don't know, but it doesn't look good.
Oh! Ah. Oh no! Big Chris, what are you doing? If you bend it, you fix it. That's just what I'm doing.
But these are my car pedals.
This is not car pedals. Don't worry, Truxie. I'm not finished about you. You're next.
So, could this day get any worse?
Wow! I can't wait to see their faces. Big Chris! Farmer Green needs everyone at the farm.
That'll be to clean up the mess I made.
Come on, you two. Let's go and lend a hand. This is the least I do of all that trouble you caused.
What's happened to all the mess? It's all tidy. I thought we were coming to clear it up.
We don't want you to tidy up. You don't?
We want you to make a mess.
And go as fast as you possibly can.
You do?
You do? Time for your Demolition Derby!
I love it.
But I thought we had to be more careful, Big Chris. Not want panels and rubber bumpers, you know.
I've made sure
I
you
make
can't
sure you can't time yourself or anyone else. More importantly, you don't fix it again, see? And also, what are you waiting for? Start the ball. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Love it! Truxie! Yeah! Brilliant, Tin Top! That's the best!
This is brilliant!
Demolition Derby race zone only stuff so you don't worry about. See right. This is ultimate! I want to turn! Can you turn up the Demolition Derby cars too, Big Chris? Oh no. What have I done? So even more worse. Yeah! The luck of John Silverhatch. It looked like a good day for crashing after all. For safety, of course.